Let's head to Dollarama and see what they have new in store in the decor section this month. They often have items that look a lot more expensive than they actually are, so let's see if I can find some. In the kitchen utensil section, I'm really loving this Cook with Color brand. First of all, I found these tongs for $5. I love the pink and gold. They look a lot more expensive than they actually are. You'd find something similar at HomeSense for at least double the cost. They also have these new textured wooden trivets. I love this circular design. There's so much texture in these, and the dark wood looks really high-end. They're only $5. The other item I found in this Cook with Color brand was this can opener. Same color as the tongs with the soft pink and the gold. Again, they look so much more expensive than they actually are. You could buy both of these as a set, give them as a gift, or use them in your kitchen. This one is also only $5. Now for my favorite find of the day, it's this waffle bath mat with the non-slip backing. Now I've seen these on Amazon for at least triple the price. This one is rather small, but you could really sew a few together if you wanted to. At $5, it is such a steal. I'm definitely going to pick this one up. In the decor aisle, these fluted Watson candles look fabulous. I love the fluted design. I love how large these are. Again, these would make a fantastic gift, or you could style them in a vignette on a tray in your living room. Really gorgeous and modern looking for a fraction of the price that you'd find them at a home decor store. Dollarama always does a really good job with their mug selection, and I especially love these fruit-themed mugs they have in right now. These are a couple of my favorites. They have such a great texture, they're super fun for spring and summer, and you could combine them with some more items for a really high-end looking gift at a fraction of the cost. They're only $4 each, which I think is a really good price for something that looks like this. Here's another one of my favorite finds. It's this sisal wrapped vase. It has this beautiful modern lake house or boho look to it. Looks super high end, and it's only $5. I'm definitely gonna pick this one up and use it on our lake house back porch. Another item I'm loving in the textile section is this woven throw blanket. They have a few different colors at only $5. This is a really great deal. It's a decent size and it feels a lot thicker than other dollar store blankets that I've come across. I'm gonna buy this one too. This oversized woven tray was one of my favorite finds. In retrospect, I wish I would have picked this up because you often don't find trays of this size at the dollar store, and for only $5, it was such a fabulous deal. This would be great styled indoors on an ottoman or outside on a back table. This two-tier organizer has a fabulous texture. I love the caning with the wood. You could use this on your countertop as a coffee station, would be such a great use for it, or even to display your spices in your kitchen. It's only $5. So back at our lake house rental, I'm gonna use this non-slip backing bath mat with the waffle texture in the bathroom. It's so squishy and soft. It feels just like the Amazon one that's at least double the price. It has this non-slip backing, so it's not going to go anywhere. I'm also going to style this throw blanket here at the cabin. Looks fabulous on the back deck on these chairs, and great with these cushions that I found at Walmart Canada. And finally, this sisal wrapped vase looks really cute in this vignette on the back porch. I'm grouping it with a couple of different objects and putting some faux ferns inside. It has this perfect coastal look that I was hoping for, and it was such a great price for a little summer decor for the season. Let me know which of these Dollarama finds was your favorite down in those comments below. I would love to hear. And make sure you're subscribed for more decor finds on a budget.